Imagine this. You're stuck in rush hour traffic, bumper to bumper, going absolutely nowhere. But then you remember, you don't have to deal with this anymore. Because sitting in your garage right now is a fully functional airplane that costs less than a Lamborghini. And you're going to want to stick around until the end, because the final feature of this plane will blow your mind.
So let's talk about the Icon A5. This is a plane that you can literally fold up, tow behind your car, and park next to your lawnmower. It's a light sport aircraft, or LSA, which means it's designed for normal people to fly, not just seasoned pilots with decades of experience. And here's the kicker. It costs around $300,000, which sounds like a lot, until you realize that's cheaper than most luxury cars. Now, before we dive into what makes this thing so special, let's talk about why it even exists. For decades, flying has been this exclusive, intimidating thing. You needed a private pilot's license, you needed access to an airport, and you needed a plane that cost as much as a house. But in 2004, the FAA introduced the Sport Pilot License. This license is easier to get, requires fewer hours of training, and opens the door to flying aircraft like the Icon A5. And that's when everything changed. So what exactly is the Icon A5? Well, it's a two-seater amphibious aircraft. That means it can take off and land on both runways and water. Picture this. You take off from a small airstrip near your house, fly over the mountains, and then land on a pristine lake for a picnic. Sounds like something out of a movie, right? But it's real. The Icon A5 is built with a carbon fiber fuselage, which makes it incredibly light but also super strong. It weighs just under 1,100 pounds when empty, and it can carry a maximum weight of about 1,500 pounds. So you, a passenger, some gear and fuel, and you're good to go. But here's where it gets really cool. The wings? They fold. I'm serious. With the push of a button, the wings fold back against the fuselage, reducing the width of the plane to just 8.5 feet. That's narrow enough to fit in most standard garages. You can literally park it next to your car. And because it comes with a trailer, you can tow it to the lake, the beach, or any body of water you want. By the way, if you're getting value from this and want more mind-blowing content just like this, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button. It really helps the channel. Now let's talk performance. The Icon A5 is powered by a Rotax 912 ULS engine, which produces 100 horsepower. That might not sound like much compared to a car, but in aviation, it's more than enough. This thing can cruise at about 95 miles per hour, and it has a range of roughly 427 miles on a full tank. So you could fly from Los Angeles to San Francisco, or from Miami to Key West without breaking a sweat. But what about takeoff and landing? Well, the Icon A5 only needs about 750 feet of runway to take off. That's less than 3 football fields. And when you're landing on water, you just need a calm surface and enough space to glide down. It's honestly one of the most forgiving planes to fly. And that brings us to one of the coolest safety features, the angle of attack indicator. Now, if you're not a pilot, this might sound confusing, but stick with me. Most small plane crashes happen because pilots stall the aircraft. A stall occurs when the plane's wings lose lift because the angle is too steep. The Icon A5 has a visual indicator right in front of you that tells you exactly when you're approaching a stall. It's like having a co-pilot constantly watching your back. And trust me, that's a big deal. But wait, there's more. The Icon A5 also has a spin-resistant airframe. What does that mean? It means the plane is designed to resist going into an uncontrollable spin, which is another common cause of crashes in small aircraft. So basically, this plane is trying really hard to keep you alive. Now let's talk about the cockpit. The Icon A5 doesn't have a traditional instrument panel cluttered with 100 dials and gauges. Instead, it has a sleek, modern glass cockpit with a digital display that shows you everything you need to know at a glance. Altitude, speed, fuel, navigation, it's all right there in high definition. It honestly looks like something out of a sci-fi movie.
And here's something you probably didn't expect. The Icon A5 has a parachute for the entire plane. It's called the Cirrus Airframe Parachute System, or CAPS. If something goes catastrophically wrong, you pull a handle and a giant parachute deploys from the top of the plane, lowering the entire aircraft gently to the ground. It's like an ejector seat, but for the whole plane. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this thing actually practical? And the answer is yes. Thousands of people around the world own light sport aircraft like the Icon A5. They use them for weekend getaways, for exploring remote areas, and for the sheer joy of flying. And honestly, once you've experienced the freedom of taking off whenever you want and landing wherever you want, it's hard to go back to driving.
But let's address the elephant in the room. $300,000 is still a lot of money. But when you break it down, you're not just buying a plane, you're buying access. Access to places cars can't go. Access to experiences most people will never have. And you're buying time. Imagine cutting a 6-hour drive down to a 1-hour flight. That's priceless. Plus, the cost of ownership isn't as crazy as you'd think. Fuel? The Icon A5 runs on regular unleaded gasoline, the same stuff you put in your car. Maintenance? Because it's a light sport aircraft, you can do a lot of the basic maintenance yourself or take it to a certified mechanic. It's not like owning a private jet where you need a full-time crew. And here's the final mind-blowing feature I promised you. Are you ready? The Icon A5 is designed to be flown with a sport pilot license, which you can get in as little as 20 hours of flight time. Compare that to a private pilot's license, which requires 40 hours or more. That means you could be flying your own plane in just a few months. And that is absolutely insane. So now that you're an expert on the Icon A5, check out this video right here on the screen. It's all about the top 7 single-pilot private jets for personal use. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.